Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. This time we're doing Care Bears. Yep, you guessed it. Another one of my childhood favorites. And this is Series 1. These are from Walmart. And I didn't realize this, but these are Series 3 and these are from Five Below. Both of them were a little bit over $3 each. So I've got 3 from Five Below, and then I got one in every color and shape that they had from Walmart. So we've got a total of 9 to open, and we have our lovely new shelf, which was also from Bullseye Corner. These were the Valentine shelves for $5. I printed out a background that I liked and put them in. So let's go ahead and we'll get started. These ones, I'm not too sure what they'll look like. I just thought that they were pretty cool. So they have a strip here to open and then like this little flower case. So we'll see. Celebrating 40 years or 40th, whatever. Yeah, oh wow. So, okay, if that, all right, sorry, just a crazy dose of reality for me. That means I'm older than Care Bears. Wow, I don't want to let my kids know that. Okay, anyway. Oh, look how cute that is. That's really cute. I like that. Ooh, all right, here we go. Here we go. Something fun and new. Here is the collector's guide, I hope. Oh, let's see. How cute. So there are 10 in the series. Who will you bring home? Oh, and here's more on the back. Okay, so very cute. Oh, I'm loving these, even with their big heads. They are a little big-headed, but that's okay. That's all right. I like them. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I am so happy with these. Look at his little heart. He's doing the little heart hands. Who is this guy? Wish Bear. Oh, it says Wish Bear Cub, so they must be little cubs. Okay, he's really cute with his big eyes and his little heart-shaped nose. And the classic little heart on the bottom there. Super cute. I like him. Alright, so he's gonna go there. I do like these little display cases too. Like, that's a cool, nifty little container. Alright, the second pink one. These are a lot easier to open than some of our previous ones. Alright, here is the design for this one. It's a little cloud with a heart and a star. And okay, phew, I thought we were getting a double right off the bat. I was like, okay, we need Cheer Bear to cheer us up. Oh, this one is super cute. It's the Dream Bright cub. And there's his little picture. He is sort of like an ombre color there. Oh, he kind of changes color. I don't know if you can catch that on the camera. Super cute. Oh, he's adorable. I love them. Okay, number 3, and we are opening a yellow case. And this case looks like that. And we've got, oh, he's winking. How adorable. How adorable. Which one is this? This is Harmony Bear. I love the little wink. So cute. Okay, we are opening this is number 4, but the second yellow option. And here's what the case looks like. It's the same thing as the pink one. So there's that. Ooh, we got a yellow bear. Sunshine bear. Oh, Funshine. I thought there was one named Sunshine, but I guess it was Funshine, and he is also winking, giving a thumbs up for a beautiful bright day, and he has his little tongue sticking out. Super adorable with a little red heart nose and a little red heart on the back. He is super cute. And he does stand fairly well. We've got number 5 and the first one of the blue color. And here is the box on this one. So this one is the same as the pink box, but a little different than the yellow box. So those are fun little cases to keep. I do like the idea of that. Okay, we have the pink bear. This is Cheer Bear, and she is also winking. Well, she looks like she's ready to give you a hug. Very cute. The last one of series 1, and this is the 6th one, but the second blue option. And here's what the case looks like, and we got Grumpy Bear. I'm happy that we got Grumpy. And of course our Grumpy Bear has a grumpy expression where he's frowning. And he's got the little rain clouds, but he still has a little heart in there because he is from Care-a-Lot. So he has to care a lot, whether he wants to or not. I guess that'd make me grumpy too. Okay, those were the 6 from Walmart. And we still need a few more on here. I'm glad we didn't get any doubles. That was really nice. I don't know if choosing the different cases had anything to do with it or not. Alright, these are from Five Below. These are the series 3, and here is what they're supposed to look like. So this will give us a fun little variety. I thought that they were the same thing, so I wasn't quite sure what they were. Oh, I love it. I wish Mini Fashion would open like this. And oh, here is what the ball looks like. Oh, these are adorable. Oh, wow. Okay, these are really different. They're sticky, kind of. So there's like smushies. Yeah, okay. Those are cute. Alright, they're a little different. They do feel like the type that if they get a little too sticky, you can just rinse them off with some soap and water. This one looks like Cheer Bear. And it did not come with... Oh, I know. It didn't come with a guide, but that's because it's already on the wrap itself. Which is kind of a bummer because I wanted it to say their names because it's been so long, you guys. I don't remember all of their names. But I suppose if they're the same bears on here, then we can grab their name from that. So that's cute. Okay, ball number 2, but this is also ball number 8 for the video. For the video. This one doesn't want to open as easily as the others. There we go. We got Grumpy Bear again. He is not happy. Look at him. Okay. And ball number 3, number 9 for the video, and this is our last one. Oh, so close. We got a double. So we got Grumpy Bear twice. Alright guys, well that was pretty fun. I did enjoy these. Let me know what you think about these. I loved Care Bears back in the 80s before they did make adjustments to their heads. I thought they were perfect the way they were. They didn't need to revamp them or the little ponies. But anyway, here we are. This is what we end up with for blind boxes on Care Bears. Hi friends, I wanted to do a quick update on our little Squishmallow things with the display that I bought from the Target Bullseye section. Here's how I set them up. Hope you like it. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you'd like to see. My favorite toys are probably similar to yours, and I'm willing to explore that option. If there is something that you enjoy opening, please let me know. And we will see you next time. Bye!